Hi, this is a hot glue gun, which is 100 watt. I bought it from AB Tech Deals. Now we'll test how it works. For that we have to place a glue stick inside the slot. First of all, we will remove this wire. They also give you 4 glue sticks to us. Now we have to plug it. Okay, it's switched on. We can hold it here. We have to give some time. Let the glue stick melt. No, it's not melted. We'll wait some more time. This is a good brand. Quality is also very good. Okay, we can see this. The matted glue is coming out. We'll place it here. We'll stick this. Okay, let's see how strong it is. Okay, now we can open this 2 sheets. Yeah, it is very sticky. Oh, it's working very good. The glue quality is also very good. We'll try it again with some more glue. Again, I will binding. Let's see how strong it is. Yeah, now we will again break it out. As we can see this,